Enda kugeithia muno mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV haria hothe uratwamukira hwaini wa umuthi na mwihoko wakwa ni ati wina thayo ngakwamukira na moko meri gukunyita ugeni thiini wa mutamburuko wa Kiheo kabiru thaa imwe tukorwo tugikumenyithia maria matinda makihanika guku bururi-ini nie njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani nake mutwathiriri na njira ciiko etagwo Naomi wa Mathu. Tukembiriria thiini wa riboti itu ya mbere ni ati ikundi cia atumia kaunti-ini ya Mombatha nimaruguretie kambeni ya wiyandikithia wa kura ari ta njira imwe ya kuongerera ithabu ria wiyandikithia wa kura na kuria andu 3,967 meyandikithitie kuhitukira kambeni iyo kuma riria kamiti ya mihaka ya ithurano ya IEBC yambiririe wiyandikithio cio. Ikundi ici ni ciorotete ateti kaunti-ini iyo makiuga ati matikoretwo magikirira guthingiriria mbeu njithi kwiyandikithia. Makiaria mari Mombatha matongoretio ni Amina Rithawan maugite ati andu aingi kwaga kwiyandikithia ni ugwati munene kuona ati matigukorwo na mweke wa gukorwo magithurira atongoria aria makwenda.
Women must not be sidelined, particularly those at the grassroots, who are key drivers of community development and social cohesion. Inclusion of women in leadership and policy formulation ensures that governance reflects the realities, needs and aspirations of the majority.
So sisi kama Mama Kenya movement tuna advocate ya watu waweze kupiga kura. Tunazunguka kaunti zote, tuko na viongozi wetu, na mbali na hiyo maswala na changamoto ambazo zinakumba jamii, tunapata kwamba watu wengi viongozi wengi wanachaguliwa lakini mambo ya jamii haiwahusishi. Kweli ama uongo? Sasa ndio tunasema we are advocates kuhakikisha kwamba kuna amani na maendeleo endelevu. Kama Mama Kenya, we are in 47 counties. Umeelewa? Hii poll imekuja haraka lakini tunajiandaa kuongeza ile idadi kwa sababu tumeona gaps nyingi, gaps from political parties. Sisi hatutaki tena mambo kugoja nomination, tunahamasisha kina mama to take leadership.
Sasa tumedecide sisi wenyewe kama kina mama, maana Mombasa ni yetu sio yao. We are the one who elected them to be the MPs, to be the senators, to be the women rep, to be the governor. We are the one who elected them. And to make it worse, now tumeamka na tupeleke tena kiuzuzu. Maana wao wametukuta sisi ni maboga. Watupeleka wanavyotaka wao, atupeleke tena hivyo.
Tukiuma mwena wa Mombatha tukwerekera kungi na kuria bunge ya kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet iheanite uteithio wa irio na nguo kuri andu aria mahubanirio ni mutino wa Matuika Chesongo kaunti-ini iyo. Mbunge ya kaunti iheanite mihuko 12 ya mbembe, kilo 150 cia mucere na kilo 100 cia cukari. Maya mahanikite thutha wa andu 35 gukua guku angi 16 magithie na mbere na gwethanwo nao. Mwandiki wa bunge yo Jane Mutai augite ati ikinya riri ni ria gukorwo rikihe aria mahutitio mwihoko na kumerera mitaratara ya kunina thina ucio kaimana.
We have managed to donate from our houses and even from the staff welfare 12 bags of maize together with 150 kilograms of rice, 100 kilos of sugar and quite a number of sacks of clothes to help the bereaved families. Assembly in solidarity to cry with our people, to condole with our people, to comfort each other as Elgeyo Marakwet County because of the recent floodslide that have affected both Marakwet East and Keyo North.
We have today brought enough food and clothing to the families that were affected by the landslide. It is a kind gesture that we can't take it for granted, and that is why I've personally come here to receive, to ensure that the spirit of giving continues as we restore our people back to normal life. They lost everything, they lost houses, clothing, everything. And by bringing these things, it is timely to make them come back to at least not to normal life, but just to comfort them. We are continuing with the recovery. It's not easy because even during the recovery we had some injured people whom we were lifted to MTRH who got injured in the process. So the process is ongoing, very difficult because of the big boulders, a lot of mud, but we are hopeful that we are going to recover our brothers and sons and daughters, probably even alive, so that they can come back and support. And unfortunately, if we don't find them alive, we also need to find their bodies so that we can have closure when the families, they can at least heal, knowing that the unfortunate has happened. The culture of Marakwet and KU is the culture of giving, and therefore when they had this thing, they could not even wait for it to be told. They just said, Governor, can you take those things? We are bringing them to your office. And these, in our sub-county offices, we have so many. Some have even told me, let's have them in our ward offices. And we have accepted that please take them to wherever there is a government office. We will mobilize and deliver to the victims. And I want to assure that anything that you have brought to us, there will be no diversion. Everything will go to the committee and directly to the victims. Under my watch, nothing, even a single coin, will disappear. Everything will have to go to the intended purpose.
Tugithie na mbere mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni atongoretie atongoria a ikiro itiganite kuma ithwiro ria bururi nginyagia Bondo county ya Siaya niguo gucakaya uria wari mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga. Akiaria, Kalonzo ayuritwo ni kieha kinene ni agwetete Raila Odinga ta mutongoria urendete bururi wake na mutongoria urari na wirutiri munene.
A unique day because we have a big team of people from outside Nyanza. Most of them have come from Cumberland, but we also have people who have come from Nakuru and other areas. Feel welcome. Only those who love us, only those who love Raila Odinga, they are the ones who come here to the funeral. And for that, I'm very grateful. I know some people would like to mix it with politicians, with politics. Personally, I'm not a politician. My husband was a superb politician, not me. So don't expect me to bring in any politics here. But from what I know, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka has been a friend of Baba for many, many years.
The gentleman lying here would have been the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces of the Republic of Kenya. We've been to the trenches with my brother. On one occasion in 2023, when Kenyans were saying the cost of living was unbearable, some of us wore sufurias. We nearly got killed. Raila and I escaped from Embakasi South. How we did it was amazing. It was like the orders were given that day to kill us, mainly to kill Raila Odinga. But we escaped somehow up to Raphael Tuju's place in Karen. I think Kamawa Raila will remember this.
Tukiuma kaunti-ini ya Siaya tukwerekera kungi na riu kiama gia kiuteti Equitable Party TEP ni mahandite cira igoti-ini magiukirira kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ni kiria maugite ni guteaniria muhuraniri wa wadi Elgeyo Marakwet hari githurano kinini ihinda rihitukite. Mutongoria wa kiama kiu Ndagitari Boni Shanga akiaria na andiki ya mohoro kaunti-ini ya Vihiga ni akomithitie ikinya riu akiuga ati guteaniria muhuraniri mũhũranĩri rungu wa TEP nĩ ikinya rĩmwe rĩa kũhũrĩra ndebe mũhũranĩri ũrĩa ũrũgamĩte na kĩama kĩa UDA. Rĩu kamĩtĩ ya IEBC ĩcũkĩte kuga gũtikoretwo na ahũranĩri angĩ icigo-inĩ cia Tambelo kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu, na akuga atĩ gĩcigo gĩa Met-K kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet na kwanĩrĩra ahotani kuma kĩama-inĩ kĩa UDA kuma icigo-inĩ igĩrĩ.
The Equitable Party was duly nominated Mr. Edward Kiplimo Mengich as our candidate for the Met-K ward by-election. Under Section 13 of the Election Act, nomination occurs when a political party formally submits the name of its candidate to the Independent Electoral Commission, that is IEBC. Subsequent presentation of nomination papers is merely an administrative step meant for verification. Once a name has been duly submitted, the law strictly governs withdrawal or substitution through Section 13, Section 2 and Regulation 52 of the election regulations. The Equitable Party fully complied with these legal provisions and validly nominated our candidates. However, the IEBC irregularly accepted a belated resignation made long after the lawful nomination window had closed, and consequently treated it as effective nullification of our candidate outside the confines of the law. It has since emerged that once it became apparent our candidate was commanding an overwhelming support from the residents and he was on the verge of victory, elements aligned with the ruling party moved swiftly to intimidate and compromise our candidate. Threats to his safety were made, and through political coercion, he was enticed with money and rented apartment in Nairobi to vacate Met-K ward and abandon his campaign, running away from the residents. We have reliable information that he was offered $500,000 upfront with a promise of further payments, a 6-month apartment lease in Nairobi, all designed to keep him away from the residents who rightfully demanded to exercise their democratic choice.
Tũgĩtigana na icio tũgũthiĩ harĩ riboti ya kĩeha na kũrĩa mũtino wa mũtuthũko wa mwaki ũtigĩte itu rĩa kĩeha itũũra-inĩ rĩa ha Iriga kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri thutha wa ciana igĩrĩ gũkua mũtino-inĩ ũcio, ũmwe wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 3 na ũrĩa ũngĩ wa ũkũrũ wa mĩeri 6. Kĩrĩ ũguo bamĩrĩ nyingĩ mathiĩte na mbere na kũhoya ũteithio wa ũikaro thutha wa mĩciĩ yao kũhĩa na gũtuĩka mũhu. Kũringana na arĩa meyoneire mũtino ũcio ũkĩhanĩka, maugĩte atĩ mwaki wa nyũmba imwe harĩ nyũmba cia gũkombora na kũneneha ũndũ ũrĩa matanahota gũkorwo makĩhonokia. Rĩu bamĩrĩ ici nĩ morĩtie thirikari oro hamwe na andũ a wendi mwega gũkorwo makĩrutĩra kũmateithĩrĩria na nguo cia kwĩhumba oro ũndũ ũmwe na indo cia mahũthĩro.
Tuwezi jua ni nini ilifanyika juu sisi tulikuwa kwa nyumba, so hatuwezi jua juu. Sasa unajua ni mtoto alitokea tu akakuja akatuambia kuna moto. Sasa sisi kutoka tukakuta nyumba ya kwanza ni moto, ya pili ni moto. Sisi hatukujua ni nini. Nilijaribu kupiga nduru, nikapiga nduru. Majirani wao walikuja, lakini tulitoa kitu kidogo sana. Lakini after hapo nyumba zote zimechomeka na hakuna kitu yenye tumetoa. So mimi naweza taka watusaidie tu juu saa kama mimi niko down sana, niko chini sana juu nashindwa, sina mwelekeo, sina mbele, sina nyuma, hakuna nini ama nini. So mimi naweza taka serikali tusaidia, tuangalie yani for now. Hiyo ni kama accident. Tusisema ni mtu ama nini, ni venye tunaweza sema ni accident kama ya kawaida.
Tu ni kijana yangu akaja akaniambia kuna pahali kuna shomeka huku this side, na kwa sababu si tuko neighbors nikakimbia, ndio nikapata kuna moto mkuu sana. All the same nikakumbuka hata mimi nilikuwa nimeacha kitu kwa gas, nikarudi. Sasa in fact hawa fire brigade walifanya vizuri sana, walikimbia, walikuja haraka kwa sababu hata niliporudi nikamwambia bwanangu, akapiga simu kwa fire na akasema hata wameambiwa tayari ndio wana.
Na riboti yo igukorwo igituhe mweke wa gukorwo tugithumura ndugathi haraya tugukorwo tugicokereria gukumenyithia mangi maingi.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano. Tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa githima rucini. Thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitane na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyakandeto theinie wa tabarira ya riũa rĩa wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe. Igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaigira kiberereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithira KW. Mugatereva na kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya Ikumbi ria Kigosho. Tomugate wiki ugituria mundu muoyo ende kiugo kiumite kanua-ini ka Jehova ni gituragia mundu muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, haleluya.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rucini nyitanagira na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarira-ini ya Neno la Uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa. Lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandiko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwihoko muturire-ini. Neno la Uzima nitugie kariko of God. I love your voice.
You have... Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nitwacokereria gunyita ugeni tuthina mbere na gukumenyithia na arutani a junior secondary county-ini ya Murang'a matabanĩtie mũrũrũngano makĩenda thirikari kũhe arutani 20,000 kanya ga kũmaandĩka wĩra. Arutani ana arĩa mambĩrĩirie wĩra mweri-inĩ wa 11 mwaka mũthiru matetete makiuga atĩ mathiĩte na mbere na kũritũhĩrwo nĩ mũtũrĩre. Makiuga atĩ mbeca iria mararĩhwo cia mũigana wa 17,000 itiramaigana na makĩria arĩa maikaraga taũni-inĩ. Magĩtongorio nĩ Brian Mobisa na Eric Okumu, arutani aya maugĩte atĩ matikoretwo makĩrĩhĩrwo kandi cia ũrigiti nyũmba ciao, rĩu makĩũria thirikari kũigua mateta mao na kũmarũmbũiya.
As intern teachers, we stand here with a lot of stress. We stand here with a lot of depression, more so with a lot of anxiety. Kwa nini? Maana tumeweka kwa giza. Hatujui kesho yetu itakuwa aje. As intern teachers, we are suffering. How can we survive with 17,000? No way. Tunauliza our government of Kenya, how can a teacher survive with 17,000 per month? How? Mwalimu, how? So as intern teachers, we are going through a lot of challenges. We are not getting the allowance benefits. For example, we don't have what? Medical covers, commuter allowances, house allowances. We are only given 17,000 per month.
Na la kusisitizia ni kwa walimu hapa ni walimu wa kisayansi. Hawana allowances. Ninasikitika kwa mwalimu wa kisayansi kuna risks ambazo anapitia. Na mwalimu huyu hana medical cover yenye ko sustainable. Ni kuonyesha kuwa serikali ni kama haimtambii mwalimu kabisa. Tunaomba Ministry of Finance na Ministry of Education. There's a mess in this CBC. The learner of a Kenyan citizen is being subjected to low quality education. Reason being, the interns are working in a demotivated environment.
A teacher survive on 17,000 Kenya shillings. We can even imagine a 17,000 Kenya shillings in Nairobi. No commuter allowances, no benefits, especially the medical allowances. For example, a female teacher. You are told you are being paid 17,000, and most of the female teachers, some get pregnant during the course. How are you supposed to take care of the babies? How are you supposed to give birth with the 17,000 that you are being given? And mind you, some have not been paid. When you come into internship, you even stay for months without payment.
And we are here to tell TSC that they should expedite the confirmation of JSS teachers. By now, they should have gotten their letters of confirmation.
Tugakihoka mateta mao ni magukorwo makiguo na tugithii na mbere makiria ya mafundi 100 kuma Gicugu kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na magukorwo makigunĩka na njĩra ya kwamũkĩra marũa megemainie na umenyo wao kũhĩtũkĩra tabarĩra ya recognition of prior program na ĩrĩa ĩkũmahe mweke mwega na marĩhi mega. Arĩa makugunĩka nĩ mafundi a mahiga, mafundi a cuma, a mĩberethi ya maĩ, arĩa mohĩgĩrĩire gũtuma njuĩrĩ na ũthaka gatagatĩ ka angĩ aingĩ. Tabarĩra ĩno ĩrũgamĩrĩirwo nĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya gĩbũrũri ĩgĩtanywo kũhe aruti wĩra ũyũ mweke na nĩguo gũkorwo makĩgĩa na umithio makĩria.
Tulikuanga huku Gicugu TVC, tulikuwa tumealikwa na mheshimiwa wetu Geshimo juu ya certificate. Kuna certificate ya anataka kutusponsor, kutupatia zenyewe. Na tunashukuru sana kwa sababu tumekuwa na challenges mingi sana ya kutopata kazi kwa sababu ya hizi certificates. Like kwa sasa hivi kuna pali nilikuwa niitiwe kazi, lakini kwanza nikaulizwa kama niko na certificate na sikuwa na yenyewe by the way, so hiyo kazi ikaenda tu hivyo. But for now kwa sababu sasa tumeambiwa within kitu kama miezi 3 ijayo next year tutakuwa na hizo zenyewe certificate.
Hapa Gicugu TVC ni kwa sababu ya launch RPL, masomo ya watu ambao wamekuwa na experience lakini hawakuwa na cheti katika masomo yao, na tunashukuru Bwana sana ni kwa sababu ya mheshimiwa wetu Geshimo Githinji, kwa sababu amekuwa msaada kwetu sana. Siku ya leo ametulipia kila kitu ambacho kilikuwa kinahitajika, kwa sababu kulikuwa na challenges. Kupata hii cheti ilikuwa ni lazima ulipe pesa.
Ni safari ambayo tumekuwa tukiendelea naye tumeweza kufanyisha mtihani wanafunzi wa kwanza 24 na wakaweza kufusu. Tuligundua kulikuwa na changamoto kidogo ambapo watu walio jua kali na walio na ujuzi ukiwa arika waweze kukuja kufanyishwa dhati za mtihani ndio waweze kupata cheti zao, wapata hawana uwezo wa kufadhili ama uwezo.
Tukiuma mwena ucio aikari gicigo-ini gia Kapseret ni matabanĩtie mũrũrũngano magiteta nĩ andũ kũnyitwo mĩgwate na makiria kũrĩ mbeũ njithi. Aikari maiyũrĩtwo nĩ matukoya nĩ morotete andũ arĩa maugĩte nĩo makoretwo magĩkĩrĩha itoi gũtabania ciĩko ici na arĩa makoretwo makĩmanyamaria kwa ihinda makĩaria thutha wa gwĩkinyia ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Langa kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu. Arũrũngania nĩ morĩtie kĩhoto kĩa arĩa mahutĩtio, oho nĩ morĩtie gũkorwo makĩrĩrwo atĩ ũthuthuria nĩ ũgũtabanio na nĩguo arĩa makuruhanĩtio na ciĩko ici cia ũnyamũ gũikio ngono na gũtacũkĩrio makinya ma kĩwatho.
Tuko hapa leo kwa ajili ya maandamano hii kwa sababu tunataka justice. Justice ni kusema ya kwamba kuna mtu mmoja wetu aliumizwa na akiongea maneno yake, lazima tukuwe na justice.
Riboti yo kuma kaunti ya Uasin Gishu ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtuithĩranĩria mũtambũrũko wa kĩheo kabirũ thaa ĩmwe. Tucemanie cianda wega thaa ithatũ kũrehera mena mangĩ maingĩ o ta ũrĩa megũthiĩ na mbere na gũkinyĩra metha itũ ya mohoro. Ngatho cia mwanya nĩ tondũ wa kũnyitanĩra hamwe na ithuĩ na gũtũhe mweke waku ũkorwo tũgĩkũmenyithia marĩa matinda makĩhanĩka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na hamwe na arĩa othe makorwo manyitĩrĩire mwaro gũtigĩrĩra nĩ watwamũkĩra na njĩra ĩgwete. Niĩ njĩtagwo Wangari wa Kĩmani, nake mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ciĩko etagwo Naomi wa Mathu. Kariko cianda wega thaa ithatũ we uri mundu wa bata.
Niwe haririe kuoya ikinya mbere hari kiria wiriragiria guthoma ndugathinike ringi riu kuona Jewel Technical College mari haha ni undu waku. Tuthomithagia kothi itiganite ta journalism and media studies niguo memerekia, hospitality management niguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nimo maundu mege maingi no thaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makiria moguo. Nituri na thiomi cia nanja nicio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucherere Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kurigania na TRM. No tuhurire thimu namba 0771 niyo 0701300071 kana no tucherere rurenda-ini rwitu ni ruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Wathi wakura wongagĩrĩrwo ngĩ. Tabarĩra ya kũinĩkĩrĩria o ĩrĩa gũkinyagira mũthenya wa Jumamothi rĩu nĩ ũkĩte na riri mwerũ. Tabarĩra-inĩ ĩno ya kũinĩkĩrĩria tũrĩkũrehagĩra bandi all the way kwambĩrĩria thaa ithatũ cia ũtukũ nginyagia thaa thita ũtukũ gatagatĩ mũthenya wa Jumamothi, ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kuma gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩnjũ nĩũratwamũkĩra we mwĩ hamuci Ngai witũ arokũrathima we mũroreri wa Kĩheo TV angĩkorwo nĩguo nĩ mbata ĩtoro
Mutabania Tiogi ni MC Kiheji wa Gitawa.
Nile tole mago, mani tole meto. Oyo toge tutaidia, nile tuhataga komeka. Tuhatinetio nile tole ya Jesu.
Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya mari marahanika guko bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya thiini wa tabarira ya gugithereruka ni kwambiriria thinashara kinyagia thaa 3 cia rucini o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia wa gatano. Joyce Wanjiku wa Mwangi mari hamwe na Francis Wairura magakurehera ndereti itiganite mathaa matatu ma kuhingura muthenya waku ugathondekwo ukagira.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Karibu sana Beauty Queen.
Asante sana.
Uhoro waku?
Ndi mwega biũ.
Kuhana atia?
Gutire na uru.
Uhana wega muno.
Thank you.
Karibu sana.
Thank you so much.
Thiini wa studio citu muthenya wa umuthi. Na nitukorwo tukirikira muthenya wa umuthi thiini wa ndereti igimaine makiria na wonjoria ha kinya ni uthaka beauty and cosmetology. Koguo tukorwo tukiambiriria na Beauty Queen iria umire ku.
Beauty Queen umirire na wira wakwa wothaka. Ndutaga wira wothaka na ndi muthaka na ni nyendete wothaka na wira wakwa ni muthaka.
Na wira waku ni muthaka. Very nice. Koga gakorwo gitunengereria haria ritwa riu rikiumite na ni magwi muthaka. Na tukorwo tukirora atiriri hihi riki giakorirwo gigigutindikiriria ukorwo ukirora kana ukiingira thiini wa maundu megimaine na uthaka?
Ndambiririe maundu mothaka ndikana kanini ni ndendete muno gukorwo ndi muthaka. I love smartness. Ndatura ndi smart wakora ngihaka tumaguta uguo turomo glow. Ni undu ndakurire ngiendaga muno na ni undu ni fan.
Ni fan guikara mundu e muthaka. That one is new.
Alafu ni ngagirira ucamba.
Okay. Hihi kothi ino ya uthaka ni gwika kana ni gwibundithia tu?
No njuge ni passion na no wibundithie. No nie ndiebundithirie muno ni ndamenyire uguo ni kwenda ndendete muno ngikora ni ndamenya ina ngiambia kuhaka uguo andu kwihaka uguo tu.
Thabari yaku ikoretwo ihana atia kuba tondu akiuga wambiririe wi mwana koguo thabari yaku ikoretwo ikihana atia hakinya ni uthaka na makiria gukorwo ati ni uranyitirira kuma wi munini kinyagia hau gikinyite?
No njuge ni nyumiririe tondu turi anini aciari itu matia supportaga uthaka maugaga ihinda riao uthaka wari na meaning njuru. Riu ni ndahuragwo muno ni andu no ndarugamire na msimamo wakwa tondu ni ndendete muno uthaka piu na ndatura njukaga ndatuika munene ndirikaga makeup no ndiamenyaga ningekora ngihaka andu makeup no ndeciragia no kwihaka uguo. Koguo ndikoretwo thabari huthu tondu urakora society before metikire uthaka nginya makanitha-ini urakora ni urahurwo andu mageciri wina nia njuru no andu mangiona ni wira maukueta wira na passion ya mundu andu ingi no mathi kunene tondu urakora aria makurigicĩirie nio marakuhura. Koguo ndikoretwo thabari huthu no Ngai ni andeithĩtie.
Ni uruite bara.
Ngoro ndi muthaka ni bara.
Na makiria wakiuga yaku ti guthomera yaku ni gwibundithia.
Okay, ni ndajirirwo ibundithia tu uguo ngagura kamaskara, pencil, uguo tunyamu uguo ngihaka. Na ni ndendaga muno nyone tubeca ndarikia cukuru thi thomere beauty menye mo. No ndihotire gufanikiwa at that time no ndajire tu gwibundithia na ndiamenyaga ni kuri maundu ma YouTube no gwibundithia uguo ngakora ndiramenya nginya gwikira uguo butu gusora uguo ki uguo ngajugo post ando makiajiko ni notice ngiona ni marani appreciate so ngajugo gerera mo kwenda kumenya mo nigo my friend ani ajirire ndorora ka YouTube uthome 1 2 3 so nigo ndarorire YouTube ngajugo thoma to maundu uguo ngajugo thimo hiki kuhakana ngiona kumbe no njike undu na ndithomeire ngithio ngiona haya ngiona riu haha kinya riu ri ni ngwenda riu guthi cukuru na gikaranga nigo riu ngai athondekire njira ngithi cukuru no riu ndathi cukuru ndigiwa ndathomire muno
nigo sharpen
ure ndathire ngagituika mwarimu ngikorana ndina knowledge iguru gukira nginya arimu to ni passion ndari nayo na ndendete uthaka muno ndathire ngena mwarimu ure nyitaga pencil agekoguo koguo ndathire ngituika mwarimu
koguo maundu mathire magirite
biu
hihi kothi ya uthaka mundu agirirwo kuoya ihinda rigana atia
ni 6 months.
6 months. Gukoro menyete go shape butu gakoro ge eyebrows I mean gwikira ndwara in 6 months.
Yeah, in 6 months. No ru pia edependaga na no hari mathomagirwo mathomere. Ugakora mundu ikarire meri 6 tari he hari ndakorire mena miaka cukuru. Matiri manyitwo na kimena miaka 3 cukuru. Ru ngiona ana ni ku school fees. Koguo pia ni passion. Undu ria wendete to nginya utinde ugithomera.
Na miaka ino tukiriri aindo ingire makoretwo makihimbiria makirio gakiona andu magithie events andu ni marenda gukorwo magiko makeup hihi maundu tha ici mahana atia hakinya ni uthaka na maundu ma ugemu
no jiga maundu mothaka ni wira kega ndungirarira nako ni wira mwega biu tondu no nginya ungaramike niguo ukorwo wi muthaka na yani ikoragwo ihinda ria ma occasions ikoragwo ma holidays holiday ni August, April, December so pia ni kuri challenges no ni wira mwega tondu ngithukoma muthenya umwe ni gukora wathukoma muthenya umwe wina mbeca nyingi gukira uria wandikitwo urariho mweri ni wira mwega biu yeah
koguo mundu angihota atia gukorwo akimitua kuma passion na kumitua ati niguo wira wake wa oro muthenya
of course na kiria giko thiini waku koguo no nginya wende wira waku na ndugakorwo mundu agukwa ngoro tondu ni gucamani na andu magukuraga ngoro magakwira we haka tariu ni ndehakire lipstick ngiro na kindu kingi ni kabaya ni passion no akora ingi maroragwo dreams yao ni undu wa yani kuigua ria marerwo koguo no njuge we wina passion rugama na passion yaku rugama na kiria wendete ruwa bara tondu no nginya uruwe bara niguo twike kiria wenda yeah
makiria mundu angihotha atia gukorwo ati gukiona mahinda maya turi andu ingi ni maingirire thiini wa beauty tha ici ndungithie handu utacemanitie na handu harathondekwo ndwara hi competition hana atia tha ici turi
no njuge competition ni njega tondu mawira me maingi handu ni ukonaga nginya mawira mau ni mara grow tondu andu tha ici ni aingi marenda maundu mothaka tiga tene tha ici nginya aciari itu ni ona marenda makeup na maundu mothaka gutukira
very true
riu urathi urakora nduka fulani ihurite yo nginya andu mera-ini so izo competition ni ciratuma nginya bururi nginya ugakura yani andu ni marakura matige mentality ya tene ati beauty ni njuru koguo ni turakura katugakena turi athaka
koguo competition isawa kabisa
bigihura tondu riu ingituika ati ni beautician ndeika riu nona riu hena thina
na mundu agitigirira ati ena ngurani na andu aria angi
ni wira waku tondu wira wakwa ndungihanana na waku
na gutigirira ati wakwa ni ndirawendia makiria gukira wa mundu uria ungi
idipendaga na riri uria uroerera wira waku hena andu matoe kwi market maruta wira wao mehithitio kuona tutioira mekaga na maragwa matiri na clients koguo no nginya umenye uhote kwiendia na njugaga uthakari ndukoragwo ati gutinda ukiconvince client ati ni njikaga ona nona tunamenya ni kindu urona koguo kindu githaka ndutinda we convince mundu kinajiuza tu koguo ri we market no urute wira muthaka
yeah ogwa kwi market mundu angihuthira njira iriku cia gukorwo akiendia gutigirira ati ni arakorwo akihota kwimathira twake twiri
tha ici njira ni huthu muno social media Facebook TikTok ugapost tundu twaku ona wapost kana ikondo na like imwe rucio ndore na live na twari twiri wendere andu gakwe ngoro tondu andu maguthiugo majiti guku notice koguo post bio na edia wira waku no rute wira muthaka tondu ndungiedia wira muru koguo no nginya rute wira muthaka
na tukiaririria uthaka tukoragwo tukiaririria ki
tukoragwo tukiaririria
uthaka ina entail nini uthaka wothe ngiuga ati ni beautician
beauty igayanitio na maundu maingi muno
okay
kwi maundu ma nails kwi makeup kwi massage ni indo nyingi no riu ni njikaga makeup he no ria wikaga nails he no ngi wi massage yani igayanitio ni indo nyingi muno
koguo mundu ri mwena uria arenda gucagura na ni uri kurendia muno
no jige ni wothe ya depend sasa na we uri ureyendia wira wothe wa beauty wina bia
na passion
yako
ehi ni maundu mariku andu a beauty mangiuga ati ni maragirira mahinda-ini maya turi
products nisigite goro muno